I'm going to show you how you can invest into the S&P 500 on Trading 212. So the first thing you should check is that you're using the Trading 212 Stocks ISA like I am using here. If you are in the UK, this will be the most tax efficient account. Now, once you have your Trading 212 Stocks and Shares ISA set up, the first thing that you're going to want to do is to hit the magnifying glass at the bottom of the screen. Now, when you press this, you'll be put into a menu where you can find new stocks and ETFs. We're going to skip that and go straight to the top where the search bar is. Here we will type in SP 500 and you will realize straight away that there is a long list of different S&P 500 holdings. Now, most of these S&P 500 funds or holdings or ETFs, you can call them, are very similar, but there are some that are very different. For example, the technology sector S&P 500 here. Most of the other difference are just the fund manager. For example, Vanguard and iShares, they're different companies that do pretty much the same thing. Now, this is where you do your own research and pick a fund that you think is compatible with you. There's lots of free videos out there available that will make it a lot easier. Next, you go into the fund. Now, literally all you have to do in order to buy some shares is press the big blue button at the bottom. Now, once you press that, there are two ways in which you can buy. If you know the number of shares you want, you can just select that. For example, you can use a slider or you can type in how many shares you want, for example, 1. If you press on the number of shares, you can also change by value. So instead of a number of shares, if you want to invest, let's say just £1, you can type in £1. And then all you have to do is to press the blue button at the bottom. Now, once you're ready and confirm the details, you can press the blue button again. Now, if you've already signed up to Trading 212, in the promo code section of the Trading 212 app, if you enter my code JUBAIR, you can get a free fractional share worth up to £100. Or if you've just downloaded the app, you can use the same code.